Hi, Seth got up this morning. We're supposed to get like 100 kilometers gusts of wind. Kilometer an hour gusts of wind. And I shut off the heater last night because of the wind and I was pretty scared. And look outside. Like the wind blew the snow right up to the windows. It's so windy. The freaking power just went off. So I only have the little electric space heater. Check this out. Oh. I do hear a noise. So maybe the power's back on. That would be nice. Holy, this sucks. Is it on? Ugh. So our whale hand pump wasn't working, so just the manual hand pump that brings in seawater. You can also bring in fresh water with it. So I've removed it from the sink and now I'm just cleaning it first to see if that fixes it. And when I've taken it apart, there was a lot of gunk in it. So now I made zucchini fritters, kind of like zucchini pancakes. It's not something I'm gonna keep in the recipe book because it kind of just tastes like patty of flour. We've been on the boat now almost a year. Last night we had down she goes. Last night and partially this morning until this afternoon we're supposed to get 25 millimeters to 60 millimeters of rain, and the wind was supposed to gust up to 90 kilometers an hour southeast wind, which is coming kind of like diagonally from the back of us. So, well, it actually wasn't too bad. I thought last night was going to be a brutal sleep, but as you can see, no bags on my eyes like normal. I went through old videos the other day of last year, like our first nights on the boat. My eyes were puffy. I look so ratchet. Also could be probably maybe from this side, because that will puff up my eyes for sure. We winterized the engine, which I didn't even video. Like, I'm just so lacking. And I think it's because I have the camera kind of like in a hidey hole on the boat. So if you never see it, you'll never use it if you never see it. So I'm going to have it more out. I want to get more batteries too, because it dies. Yeah, this one's already freaking dying, the battery. Come on, batteries. There was some big storms this winter. Overall, it's been very mild, but there was some big, it was super windy. But there was some bad ones where, yeah, we lost power a couple times, so I go in Tom's boat, because his heater, oh yeah, that's one thing. So that buddy right there, the heater, we need a barometric damper in it. And to prevent it from blowing out when the wind gets too strong. And the chimney could be longer too to help with that. So hopefully we're going to add that in this summer. I'm so excited for it to get warm because this wall is so gross. That's just such a nasty wall. I just hate it. The heater's always in the way when you're walking by to go to the bathroom. And today they're ticking and tucking in the yard. I can hear them. I didn't sleep the best, but I slept good considering the weather conditions. Honestly, what I would really look for in a meal on the boat is one pot or one pan, like something that only dirties one dish and that doesn't take too long and is simple and quick. But that almost seems like it should be miracle food, and that's probably why they make craft dinner. They probably are. Or Mr. Noodles, one of those things. And my battery's gonna die. So, signing out. It's great talking. We'll have to catch up again soon. I'll just wave until it dies. So it looks like they are actually just using that crane to lift up the boat and put it in the water, which That's what I think they're doing. It seems rowdy to me because we have our own way of putting the boats in the water here. And it's not very efficient, I don't think, because you have to wait on the high tides. So you can't do as many boats in a day. You really got to space them out. And it's a cradle that holds it, a wooden cradle, and it slides on these rails and it rolls it down into the water. So these guys are probably like, screw that. I'm just going to lift my boat in. So this week, we're trying to do a chef's plate here. What's the name of the meal, Seth?
Mediterranean basketball.
I haven't seen this yet. The oven is steaming. Ooh. Couscous ready. Fish on the pan. Seth on the veggies. And me patiently waiting. We might have to make this one again. Ourselves. It's just a shame, all the dishes. I don't know if you can hear the wind here, but it's insane. I forgot to make a video because we just got so hungry we started eating it. It's really, really good. Out of 10, bub? Taste out of 10?
I'd say 9.5 at least. You can physically see it move.
Whoa! That's crazy.
That'd be a fun picture. Oh.
Get it in there. Oh, burr, bub. It's cold. I got some on my nose. That's funny. I just finished our chef's plate number 2. Seth went to go get his hair fixed because he went out in the cockpit and tried to shave it, but he's really bad at it. Like, very bad. It looks so bad. So now he went to go to First Choice Haircutters. We'll see how that turns out. And I made the chef's plate, which was like a beef taco bowl sort of thing. That was pretty easy. I feel like it was definitely easier than yesterday's, but also Seth did yesterday's and not me, so I'm not really sure how hard it was. He made it look hard. And I'll give this a rating when I'm done eating, but for preparation, I would say there's a lot of plastic waste, like a lot of packaging. So packaging, I would say, well, probably with all of these it's going to be bad, but it was bad for this one, I thought. Preparation pretty simple because the rice was also white. So now, I will eat it. Here's his haircut, guys. Ooh. Got a little fade going on. How do you like the food?
Good. Oh, there's a while where there's still quite a bit on top, like she hadn't started on it. It looked good.
You liked it like that?
Yeah. Next time around, I might leave a little bit more.
Could have said stop. In the name of love, before you break my